Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a peculiar fascination with a mysterious labyrinth that lay hidden at the edge of the village. One sunny morning, Lily decided to venture into the labyrinth, her heart filled with excitement and anticipation. As she walked along the winding path, she came across a crossroads, where three paths diverged. "Which way should I go?" she pondered. She looked around, her eyes wide with wonder. "Perhaps the path to freedom lies ahead," she thought, taking the middle path. As she journeyed deeper into the labyrinth, she encountered various challenges and obstacles. At one point, she reached a wall that seemed impossible to climb. But Lily, undeterred, searched for a solution. She looked around and spotted a hidden key on the ground. With a gleam in her eyes, she used the key to unlock a secret door. Behind it, she found a beautiful garden filled with exotic fruits, flowers, and books. She realized that knowledge was the key to overcoming obstacles and finding the path to freedom. Lily spent hours exploring the garden, learning from the books and feasting on the fruits. As she left the garden, she carried with her newfound knowledge and a greater appreciation for the power of learning. As she continued her journey, she encountered more challenges but faced them with newfound confidence. She discovered that each challenge was a stepping stone towards freedom, a chance to learn and grow. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Lily reached the heart of the labyrinth. There, she found a magnificent tree, its branches laden with golden leaves. Each leaf represented a new idea, a new concept, a new piece of knowledge. Lily plucked a leaf and held it close to her heart. She felt a surge of understanding, a sense of freedom she had never felt before. She realized that the key to freedom was not just physical, but also mental. The more she learned, the freer she felt. With renewed energy, Lily continued her journey, ready to embrace whatever challenges lay ahead. She knew that with her newfound knowledge and the power of learning, she could overcome anything. And so, Lily's journey through the labyrinth served as a reminder to us all that the key to freedom is not something we find, but something we cultivate within ourselves. It's the power of learning, the courage to explore, and the determination to never stop growing. And as for the labyrinth, it remained a mystery, a symbol of the endless journey of learning. But for Lily, it was no longer a place of fear, but a place of growth, a place of freedom.